Dear students, in my previous video you have seen the electric field intensity due to electric dipole. In that you have seen only one case, that was the end-on position or on the axis of electric dipole. Now today I will discuss you with the electric field due to electric dipole, that is broad on position or on equatorial. Today we will calculate electric field intensity due to electric field intensity due to electric dipole. Electric field intensity due to electric dipole that is equatorial position. Let's see. In this, we consider, let an electric dipole AB having point C at r distance perpendicular to its axis from mid of dipole. हम एक डाइपोल कंसीडर करते हैं. मान लीजिए ये आपका डाइपोल है ए बी और इसका एक मिड है ओ. इससे आर डिस्टेंस पर हम एक पॉइंट सपोज कंसीडर करते हैं सी, वेयर हम यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. डाइपोल का पोल लेंथ है मान लीजिए 2a और ये डिस्टेंस r है. दिस डिस्टेंस विल बी r स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर रूट. सिमिलरली इधर भी होगा वही r स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर. Now this angle will be theta. Let's suppose here minus q charge and here you just suppose plus q charge. Due to minus q charge, electric field intensity direction will be here. Just you consider it E1 towards A. Due to plus q charge, electric field intensity will be towards outward from B. Let it is E2. Now, if we resolve these two electric field, we find one is here it is. If suppose it is theta, then this will be E1 cos theta, and another will be here E1 sin theta. That is the resolution of vector. Now this is also theta here. So we get another vector also. That will be E2 cos theta. And here we will get E2 sin theta. This way, this will be the image or picturization of the electric field intensity on dipole. From figure, what you are observing, that E1 sin theta and E2 sin theta are opposite in direction. If they are magnitudely equal, then they will cancel each other. Only the resultant you will obtain due to the E1 cos theta and E2 cos theta. Let's see whether they are magnitudely equal or not. अगर ये इक्वल होंगे E1 sin theta और E2 sin theta तो एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर देंगे, तो रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर आपका जो मिलेगा दैट विल बी E1 cos theta एंड E2 cos theta. इनके कारण से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी मिलेगी. नाउ सी, we calculate electric field intensity. Let's see what will be the E1. That will be 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon under root r square plus a square whole square. From formula E is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r square. Now we get 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 q over r square plus a square. Now you know the sin theta will be, that is absolutely perpendicular upon hypotenuse. We will get r over under root r square plus a square, and cos theta will be base upon hypotenuse, that is a over r square plus the root a square. Now E2 will be 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 q over same r square plus a square. Now we see that E1 sin theta and E2 sin theta are equal and opposite. So the resultant vector will be, resultant electric field will be due to E1 cos theta and E2 cos theta. Let's say we will write here E is equal to E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. We put all value here, we see that will be 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 q over r square plus a square. What is the value of cos theta? Into a over under root r square plus a square plus 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 q over r square plus a square into a over under root r square plus a square. By this we are writing here 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 2qa over r square plus a square 3 by 2. Here the power 1 and here half, that is 1 and half, that is 3 by 2. Now we know that P is equal to Q into 2A. So we will write here electric field intensity is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 P over r square plus a square power 3 by 2. We take here assumptions. If A is very less than R, then neglecting a square in presence of r square, we will get E is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 P over R square into 3 by 2. That will be, here you will get the formula that is E is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 P over R cube, that is Newton by per coulomb. We see here the direction of electric field will be, it will be from B to A, because it will be along the direction E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. So the direction of electric field will be, it is above the axis, we get the direction from B to A. This is all about your electric field intensity due to electric dipole. Thank you for watching my video, and you please like and subscribe and click the bell icon for next video.